Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a smart home guest Wi-Fi network for cameras step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have all necessary equipment at hand, including your router, a computer or smartphone, and the camera devices. Access your router's settings by entering its IP address into a web browser. Log in with your administrator credentials, which can usually be found on the router or in its manual. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section of the interface. Create a new SSID specifically for your guest network. Choose a unique and easily recognizable name for this network, making it clear it's for guests. Set a strong password for the guest network to enhance security. Enable network isolation if available. This feature prevents guests from accessing your main network. Next, locate the DHCP settings to assign a separate range of IP addresses for your guest network. Save these changes and reboot the router if necessary. After the router has rebooted, connect to the newly created guest Wi-Fi network using your computer or smartphone. Open the camera app or software on your device to start adding the cameras to the guest network. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect each camera to the new guest Wi-Fi network. Once connected, check that each camera is functioning correctly. It's also advisable to regularly change the guest Wi-Fi password for added security. If needed, configure parental controls or time limits for guest access to further enhance security. Keep track of the devices connected to the guest network through your router settings. Review the overall network performance regularly to ensure optimal operation. Finally, educate your guests about the purpose of this network to help maintain security and privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.